guys, we're back at Excelsior Motorsports. Today is the day we're gonna go and put this thing on the dyno. Kushan doing an amazing job like always. Everything is getting put together, and oh my gosh, guys, it is finally the day, man. We are here. I know you guys have been waiting patiently, but today is the day we finally see what this bad boy can do. Excelsior Motorsports is Escondido, guys. Excelsior Motorsports is a shop you guys want to go to for anything LS, anything LT. We got Corvettes just everywhere, all the way down. Z06s, Grand Sports, C7, C6s, C5s, C4s, pretty much everything. Even anything that's a swap, they can pretty much do anything that is LS and LT, guys. We got the vet over here. We're gonna go ahead and get it on the dyno, and we're gonna take a look and see what numbers. What you guys thinking?
I don't know how much boost it's running, but it's going to be over 700, I would think.
Yeah. Some other cars that are over here. I'm telling you guys, all the racers be taking their cars over here to Excelsior Motorsports, Escondido. Man. Did it, man. Like, man, we finally did it, guys. I just have all of you guys to thank. So many people for helping with this build, so many people for just sticking with it, and man, y'all, I'm just don't want to sound like I'm getting emotional, but I built my dream car, guys. Like, this is my dream car. This is the dream build right here. This is literally everything I could have ever asked for. They did it perfect. Everything about this car is perfect, man. I'm just, wow. Just wow. It is perfect. Absolutely perfect, man. Just so thankful for you guys. So thankful for everybody for being a part of this journey. And this is the next stage, man. This is the next stage. So as far as the car, we're actually tuning it pre-heat conditions. We're double checking, making sure that the knock was pretty good, making sure that the car ran good, powers are really good. We actually were on a mainline dyno as far as the car, so we can get accurate numbers for how the car is actually going to run. Wanted to make sure we ran it in heat situation and hot situation and enclosed environment to make sure that it was going to be running good and that power wasn't going to be cutting too much, because if we can beat it in here in this small little space, then we can definitely be beating it outside with much more airflow. And just, man, I am so hyped for this car. So hyped for everything that's going to be coming for this channel. And lots of racing coming, guys. Lots of racing is coming. AFE ceramic coated headers, AFE ceramic coated X pipe, and AFE ceramic coated catback exhaust. So AFE, if you guys are watching this, shout out to you. Keep hooking Excelsior Motorsports up with your products. Hopefully I can keep showing you off your products in a good way. And yeah. All right, y'all, so now we're just starting to put everything back together. The under tray stuff, you got snout stuff, that stuff that go in the front, and then we're gonna put the hood back on. The hood's over there. But man, shout out to Excelsior, man. This thing is bonkers. This car is bonkers. So many cars, man. Shout out to Kushan ZR1, shop owner ZR1. He's also got the Z06 over here. Yeah, so we've been racing, man. We've been track racing. Just bonkers cars everywhere. Just beautiful.